Lesson number 111 is about applications using division. And our first question says, 100 students are to be assigned to 3 classrooms. How many students should be in each class so the numbers are as balanced as possible? Now in this problem, if we're going to take 100 students and we're going to put them in 3 classrooms, well, we've got to use division to find out how many should be in each group. So let's do that. We've got 100. We're dividing those 100 students into 3 classes. We're going to see how many should be in each class. So 3 goes into 10 3 times, that gives us 9. With 1 left over, bring down our 0. 3 goes into 10 3 times. We've got 9 with 1 left over. So we get an answer of 33 and 1/3. Well, you can't have 33 and 1/3 students in each classroom. So in those 3 classrooms, you're going to have an unbalanced number. But to make it as balanced as possible, let's look at the situation. If we've got 3 classrooms, there's supposed to be 33 and 1/3 students in each classroom. Well, we could go ahead and we could put 33 in one, 33 in another. And instead of having 33 and 1/3 in each, we could have 34 in the last. So if we added those up, that would be a grand total of 100. That would be all of our students. This is as balanced as it can possibly be, because we can't have 1/3 of a student in each of 3 classrooms. Let's look at another problem. Movie tickets cost $4. Jim has $15. How many tickets can he buy? So we're going to take his $15 and we're going to see how many equal parts we can get when movie tickets each cost $4. So 15 divided by 4, well, 4 is going to go into 15 3 times, and that's going to give us 12. We have 3 left over, so our division problem answer would be 3 3/4. But if you don't have enough money to buy a full movie ticket, you're not going to be able to buy any movie ticket at all. So in this problem, Jim can only afford to buy 3 tickets. Even though he has some money left over, he doesn't have enough money left over to buy the 4th. So we've got our final answer, we've got our label because it was a word problem, and we can move on to our next question. 15 children need a ride to the fair. Each car can hold 4 children. How many cars would be needed to transport all of the children? So we're going to take our 15 children, we're going to break them into 4 different groups, and when 4 goes into 15 3 times again, we get 12 with 3 left over, so our answer again is 3 3/4. But this time, how many cars would be needed to transport all the children? So nobody can get left behind. We can't have 3/4 of a person in each of 4 cars, so we're going to have a total of 4 cars. Now there will be 1 car that's not completely full, but that's okay, because all the children need to get there, so we need to have 4 cars in order to fit them all. It's important that we read the question to determine if we're going to be rounding up or rounding down in these problems that have applications of division. Our lesson practice will be on page 602. Make sure you've got your notes complete, and I'll see you during our next class.